Hey y'all, in this video I'm going to show you how to do the foundation half double crochet stitch. This will combine your foundation chain and your first row of stitches all in one step. Start out by making a slip knot. And chain 2. We're going to be working into this first chain here. Before going into that chain, you're going to grab some yarn. Go into this first loop here. And be sure to get this loop here. And then you will grab some yarn and pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook here. You're going to grab some yarn, pull through that first loop. That forms your foundation chain. You have 1, 2, 3 loops on your hook again. You're going to grab some yarn and pull through all 3 of those loops. That's your half double crochet. To find where to work your next stitch, turn your work and look for the V right there. That's where we're going to place our next stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook, be sure to go through both of those loops there, grab some yarn, pull through those loops, 1, 2, 3 loops on your hook, grab some yarn, pull through the first one, grab some yarn and pull through all 3 of those. So turn your work, find your V there, and that's where we're placing our next stitch. Grab some yarn, insert your hook. Thank you, Zoe. Grab some yarn, pull through. 1, 2, 3 loops on your hook. Grab some yarn, pull through the first one for your foundation chain. Grab some yarn and pull through all 3 for your half double crochet. So we have 3 stitches here. 1, 2, 3. This is your foundation right here, and these are your half double crochets. So let's find where we'll put our next stitch. Right there. Grab some yarn, insert your hook, grab some yarn, pull through both of those, grab some yarn, pull through the first, and grab some yarn going through all 3 of those. To work your next row, you're going to chain 1. Turn your work. And now we'll work a half double crochet in that first stitch there. Grab some yarn, go into that stitch, going through both loops, grab some yarn, pull up. 1, 2, 3, grab some yarn and pull through all 3 of those loops. We'll go into the next one here. Grab some yarn, insert your hook, grab some yarn, pull through, 1, 2, 3, grab some yarn, pull through all 3 of those. Let's do the last 2 in this row. Grab some yarn, insert, grab some yarn, pull up, 1, 2, 3. Grab yarn, pull through all 3. Last one there. And that is the foundation half double crochet stitch. See how nicely that worked up? You have this nice straight band here that starts your work. You don't have the curling on your first row here. Once you get the hang of this, it is going to be so much simpler to do instead of doing the chaining and then going back and working your first row through your chains. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just comment below. Thank you for watching.